Pregnancy is a journey filled with excitement, anticipation, and a touch of anxiety. To ease the latter, pregnancy subscription boxes have become a go-to for expectant mothers. They deliver hand-picked items to support you through each trimester. When selecting a pregnancy subscription box, consider the variety and usefulness of items included. Look for boxes that cater to different stages of pregnancy, offering products for relaxation, health, and baby prep. Personalization is key. Boxes that tailor to your due date ensure items are age-appropriate for your growing baby. Also check for a mix of full-sized products and samples, which provide both immediate satisfaction and a chance to try new things without committing to a full purchase. One standout is the Bump Box, which curates products based on your trimester. From organic pregnancy teas to belly butter, it focuses on safe, healthy options for you and your baby. Another favorite is the Mama Bird Box, which not only includes pampering items for mothers, but also educational materials to prepare for childbirth and parenting. For those who love surprises, the Oh Baby boxes offer a delightful mix of goodies that adapt as your pregnancy progresses. They include wellness products, maternity wear, and even postpartum essentials. And let's not forget the Stork Bag, which provides a range of items from stretch mark creams to baby books, making each stage of pregnancy a little more special. Lastly, the Eco-Centric Mom Box is perfect for the eco-conscious mother-to-be. It features environmentally friendly products that are both useful and sustainable, ensuring that your pregnancy is as green as it is joyful. In conclusion, pregnancy subscription boxes can be a source of joy and comfort during this life-changing time. Choose one that resonates with your needs and enjoy the journey to motherhood.